Want to enhance your silver strands? Reverse balayage adds depth, dimension, and effortless elegance to gray hair. 1. Ash brown blend. Soft ash brown at the roots creates depth while enhancing gray flow. Perfect for women seeking natural sophistication. 2. Dark charcoal roots. Charcoal lowlights give gray hair striking contrast and bold dimension, ideal for edgy yet refined looks. 3. Smoky reverse balayage. Smoky tones soften natural grays with a seamless blend, suits women wanting elegance with minimal upkeep. 4. Silver and espresso contrast. Espresso tones at the roots sharpen silver strands, best for women who want a bold and defined style. 5. Pearl blonde lowlights. Pearl blonde lowlights give gray hair a glowing finish, great for adding luminosity and soft radiance. 6. Steel reverse balayage. Steel tones intensify silver hair, making it modern and chic, perfect for trendsetters embracing gray. 7. Dark chocolate reverse blend. Chocolate hues at the crown create warmth and volume, great for women who want richness in gray hair. Don't forget to share your favorite style number in the comments. 8. Shadow root reverse balayage. Soft shadow roots give depth while keeping ends bright, best for effortless, low-maintenance looks. 9. Cool mocha dimension. Mocha undertones add natural depth to silver, suited for women seeking subtle richness. 10. Salt and pepper reverse flow. Deep peppery tones amplify salt strands beautifully, a timeless choice for elegant maturity. 11. Platinum reverse balayage. Platinum strands fade into soft smoky roots, ideal for bold women embracing high contrast. 12. Beige Transition. Beige undertones create smooth balance with gray, perfect for women desiring natural softness. Tell us your favorite number below. 13. Soft caramel touch. Caramel undertones warm up grays subtly, great for women who want a radiant glow. 14. Gunmetal reverse gradient. Gunmetal tones boost the edgy appeal of silver, perfect for modern, statement-making women. Share your favorite number with us. 15. Ivory and Ebony mix. Black roots melt into ivory ends for high drama, suits women craving bold, striking looks. 16. Champagne reverse shine. Champagne tones add soft sparkle to gray hair, great for elegant evening styles. 17. Graphite reverse balayage. Graphite undertones enhance silver sheen, perfect for women seeking a metallic finish. 18. Frosted reverse layers. Frosted tones brighten gray with icy depth, ideal for women wanting a cool, radiant vibe. 19. Coffee-toned reverse roots. Coffee hues add richness at the base, best for women who want depth without harsh contrast. 20. Soft brunette reverse fade. Light brunette roots give gray hair a youthful blend, perfect for women desiring natural elegance. Which style wins for you?